Namaste friends, welcome to Learn with Jay, empowered by Magic Needles. This day I am here with a beautiful lacy floral pattern which is titled as Lichen, and it is a great pattern for your table linen, summer throws, window treatments for summer and so on and so forth, and this can be used as a decorative piece for centerpieces too. Okay, this particular piece I worked with my hobby store Aran yarn, which is 100% premium acrylic anti-pill yarn, and it's a 5-ply yarn, and I use my 5.5 mm Dennis hook to make this. Let's go into the video without further delay. Make an adjustable ring, or you can chain 4 and make a ring. Now begin with a DC or chain 3, one more DC, chain 1. Now 2 DC, chain 1, chain 1. So 2 DC, chain 1 6 times in the ring. Complete 6 times. Complete placing 2 DC, chain 1 6 times. Other than the first 2 DC, I shall complete and get back. I have come to the end. So totally we have 8 sets of double crochets, 2 double crochets, and 8 sets of chain 1 space. Last chain 1, slip stitch to the top of the DC or the third chain of the chain 3 and join. Now place a single crochet in the same stitch, chain 3, single crochet in the next stitch, that is the next DC. Now in chain 1 space, place 2 single crochets. Again single crochet on DC, the first DC, chain 3, single crochet in the next DC. So this is the pattern repeat. Continue till the end of the round. At the end of the round 2, slip stitch to the first single crochet, join and fasten off this color. I shall be back with color B. Join color B in any chain 3 space with a slip stitch. You may chain 4 and begin, or make a standing double crochet here. Twist it. Chain 1, 1 double crochet again in the same space. Chain 1, 1 double in the same space. Chain 1. Again in the next chain 3 space, place DC, chain 1 3 times. So double crochet, chain 1, double crochet, chain 1, double crochet, chain 1. So continue placing the set of stitches in every chain 3 space and complete the round. So I shall make one more double crochet, chain 1, double crochet, chain 1, double crochet. Sorry, my hold of the hook is very light, that's why it slips often. Chain 1. So complete the set. I shall also complete and get back. At the end of this round here, slip stitch and join on top of the third chain or the on top of the DC if you work the double crochet. Now you can begin with chain 3, which is counted as a double crochet, or make a standing double crochet, whichever suits you fine. So this, having done this double crochet, place 1 double crochet in the next chain 1 space, chain 1, skip the next stitch, 1 double crochet in the chain 1 space, 1 double crochet in the next stitch, that is the DC, and the chain 1 space between these two sets, place 1 double crochet, chain 1, 1 double crochet. So this is the pattern repeat, stitch repeat, sorry. So DC on DC, DC in chain 1 space, chain 1, skip the next stitch, DC in chain 1 space, DC on DC, DC, then in the next chain 1 space between these two sets, double crochet, chain 1, double crochet. Continue the stitch pattern all around. At the end of the round, join on top of the double crochet or on the third chain of 3 chains and slip stitch and fasten off this color B. I shall be back with color A again. Join yarn A again in chain 3 space between these two sets, not on top of the DC, but the chain space that we did between the 2 double crochets in the chain space. Make a single crochet in the same stitch, same space, 1 single crochet in each of the next, 1 each in each of the next 3 stitches, 3 double crochets, chain 3, skip the next chain space and 1 single crochet in each of the next 3 doubles. Again one single crochet in the next chain 1 space, 1 single crochet in each of the next 3 DCs, 1 each, chain 3, 1 single crochet. So this is the stitch repeat, 1 single crochet in this chain space, 3 singles, 1 each on each of the 3 double crochets, chain 3, skip the chain space, again 1 single crochet each on each of the DCs. So this is the stitch repeat. So complete the stitch repeat all around. I shall complete and get back. At the end of the round, I have slip stitched and joined to the first single crochet. Now we make a picot for beginning of the second round. I mean not the second round, the subsequent round. One single crochet in the next single crochet here. Skip the next 2. and place 5 double crochet, picot 5 double crochet in the chain 3 space. A picot and 5 double crochet. Skip the next 2 single crochets, place a single crochet in the next single, a picot, place a single crochet in the next, skip the next 2, and again 5 double chain 3, picot 5 double in the next. So continue the stitch pattern all around. I shall complete and get back. At the end of the round, the piece looks like this, and now slip stitch and join to the first picot here and fasten off this color. I shall be back with color B. Join color B into any picot on top of the floret or the petal. With a slip stitch and make a single crochet into the same place. Chain 10. Now into the space of into the picot space in the picot, place 1 double crochet, chain 1, 1 double crochet, chain 1, 1 double crochet. So in this round we are going to work only on into the picots of the 5 petal DCs. 5 DC petals which are separated by a picot. Into that only we are going to work. The next is going to be chain 10, a single crochet into the picot. So continue the stitch pattern all around. I shall complete and get back. So in this we are ideally making 4 corners. Okay. At the end of the round, join with the slip stitch on top of the single crochet and then chain 1 and place a single crochet in the same stitch. Twelve single crochets into the chain 10 space. Now one single crochet in the DC, one single crochet in chain space, then in the next DC, one single crochet, chain 2, one single crochet. One single crochet in chain 1 space, one single crochet in the next stitch, that is DC. So this is the stitch repeat for this particular round. Complete the stitch pattern. At the end we will slip stitch to the first stitch we made and fasten off this color and be back with the next color. At the end of this round I have slip stitched to the first single crochet and fastened off this color. Now back to color A, slip stitch and join color A into any chain 2 space, place a single crochet, chain 2, single crochet, and then place one single crochet each in each of the stitches till you reach the next corner. So do not miss out on the single crochet that you have made in the previous round, so that will hide into the chain. So place one single crochet each on each of the stitches till you reach the next corner here, and in this corner again we will place one single crochet, chain 2, one single crochet, again one single crochet each on each of this, again make the corner, continue the round and complete. I shall complete and get back. At the end of this round fasten off and slip stitch join to the first single crochet and hide this yarn. So after slip stitching I have hidden the yarn behind. So we complete the Lichen motif, which is a very lacy motif, a lacy pattern and suitable for your table linens and summer window treatments. So hope you like this pattern, friends. Do like and share our videos. If you happen to be the first time viewer for our channel, do subscribe to our channel and do not forget to click on the bell icon so that you are notified of the videos that we upload every other day. Thank you friends once again. Have a great day. I shall be back with yet another pattern in the next video.